Good morning guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I want to say that you're very welcome. My name is Patience, and on this channel I make videos of my backyard garden and also tutorials and event decorations. So if you're interested in any of those, please stay tuned and let us enjoy this space. So it is the beginning of the farming season, and I am here to show you the beginning of everything, how I start right up to when our crops are ready for harvesting. Okay, so here's my garden, and we are here very early in the morning. It is 6 a.m. and I just wanted to show you the beginning of everything. This is what it looks like at the beginning of spring when we are farming it. And my fruits, some of them are ready. These are some raspberries that I'm just enjoying before I get into digging my garden for planting. Okay, so I have a lot of fruits in my garden, but I'm going to be taking a lot of them away because I don't have time to give them proper care as they need. So I'm going to get rid of most of my fruits, like these grapes. These are grapes. I have here the red grapes and the green grapes, but I'll be getting rid of most of them. And here are my blackberries. I also get rid of some of them. They are getting ripened, but the birds are eating them, so I don't even have time to walk around them, to come around as often as I can to enjoy the fruit. So there's no need keeping them. Okay, so this is what my garden looks like, and we are going to do it the African way, and that is why I call this channel My African Garden, because I do it the African way. Okay, on my garden I do it the African way. I make my beds the African way, just like my parents taught me. Okay guys, but I'm going to come to explain to you why I do it that way if you haven't watched most of my videos. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so this is the progress that we've made so far. We came around 6 o'clock and it's now 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. I have my dedicated boys who are doing a wonderful, a fabulous job, and I'm so grateful to them. Alright, so we're two of us and the third person just came, so I've given my hoe to him and I'm going to take a break while they work. So that is it. I'll give you another update in a few hours. Alright, so what we are going to do after this will be to completely cover what you are seeing to be clean, right? So let me show you. So yeah, this is it. We are going to now cover it like this so that it is ready for planting. But after we cover like this, we are going to bring in topsoil and make it more fertile, right? Because we didn't spend a lot of time pouring anything. We have not put anything to preserve the soil or anything like that. So we are going to get topsoil. We already ordered it, but they will only be able to deliver it on Monday. So today is Saturday and we are going to have the topsoil by Monday morning, and once we put the topsoil in there, we can start planting. So like I usually say, the main reason why I call this garden My African Garden is because I do it exactly the same way my parents taught me, right? So if you're from Cameroon, you're going to, actually not from Cameroon, but if you're from the northwest region of Cameroon, you're going to realize that this is exactly how we cultivate, or we work or create our ridges, right? We create the ridges like this, and then now we come back and we cover it and make it clean before planting. Alright guys, so that is it, and I'm going to update you in a few minutes or hours. Alright guys, I'm such a blessed girl, a blessed woman. Like I can't explain how blessed I am, and I feel blessed. Okay, I had my two mothers come and help me to work my garden. Like seriously, I'm so blessed and I'm so grateful to them. Everybody was asking me, how did you do it? How is it that there's so many people working in this garden today? Like, well, that's what God can do when you walk with Him. All right. Guys, welcome to day 2, and our topsoil is finally here. So we are going to take it out of the truck and haul it down to the garden and then to the beds to start planting. To be sincere, guys, my hobby is always doing the job behind the scenes. I'm just here to take pictures, videos, and he's working hard with our other boys to make sure that we have fresh and organic food to eat all around the year. So I'm so grateful. Like, I don't even know how the soil left the truck and down to the garden and then to the beds. I came when everything was done. So I'm so grateful to have him do all of this and to do it so happily. All right, guys, so the topsoil is finally in. This is leaf grow that we ordered. So it is finally on our beds, and now it is time to start planting. All right, so this is 2 days job, and it's not been easy, but it was made possible thanks to the guys, the men in my life. So I'm so grateful, and my other mothers who came and helped me. I'm a blessed child. Alright, so we are going to start planting now, and we'll show you what it looks like after planting. Alright, guys, so this is what we have planted so far. This is njama, all planted 3 beds. Look at how beautiful that is. Alright, guys, so we are done with the njama. Here we are doing the bitter leaf. Okay, if you see me, you must see these boys. If you see me in the garden, you must see these boys. All right, so they are doing the bitter leaves, and you see that when we are doing the bitter leaves, we space it more than the njama. That way you can have enough room to grow, because they grow bigger than the njama, so that's why we are spacing it out. So this is sweet bitter leaf, and we have the whole tray to plant. All right, guys, so let's keep going. It's getting dark, so I just wanted to give you an update before we finish. At this point, we'll start watering. No, my husband doesn't like to be on the camera. So, all right, guys, here you go. Day 3. All right, guys, so the first 3 beds, 1, 2, 3, it's njama, and we have 2 beds of bitter leaf, and we are waiting for our anchia to go on that side. I've just put some green on this bed, and anchia will go on the other beds, and then water leaf is going to go at the bottom. And I don't have water leaf, so if you have or know someone who is selling fresh water leaf, please let me know. Or if you are selling fresh water leaf, let me know so that I can plant some in my garden. Okay, and you can see our irrigation system is turned on, so I don't have to come here all the time to water the garden. So that is it. Our plants are in the soil. and in the next 2 to 3 weeks we should be able to harvest. I am praying for a huge rain to fall. Alright guys, so that is it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hope you learned something from it, from my African garden. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do, and hit the notification bell for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you and bye.